Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video, 2E0IQJ. Now I want to say a massive thank you to all my new subscribers. If you haven't done so, hit the subscription button, hit the bell button to be notified when I do new videos. So I don't only play with ham radio stuff, I play with vintage computers as well. And this is an old BBC Micro. So I was playing with this the other Sunday and the magic smoke started appearing from the power supply. So I attempted to do a repair and the usual capacitors wasn't the part that failed, something else did. So I sent the power supply off and I got a refurbished one. So we're going to take a close look at the refurbished power supply and the old power supply and hopefully put it back in here, the refurbished one, and get this machine up and running again. So what normally goes wrong with these BBC power supplies is these caps here, and this is one that I've replaced. So that's a 10NX2. That one, it's all cracked and looks like it's a bit how you doing. Look at the burn marks at the bottom there, so that's probably failed. And these two caps, I think this one here, and these two are the normal ones that failed, but I couldn't find any of them that are bulging. But what I did notice was that thing there. I don't know what that is. If you know what that is, put it in the comments below. You can see that the old burn marks on there. So I think that might have been the actual problem with the power supply. So I sent it away to an eBay seller and he said to me, just send me the metal casing, which I did, and this is a new power supply he sent me. And apparently it's either refurbished or one he's done himself. And he's even put a new moulded plug on the end there. Looks nice and clean, that lead does. And apparently all I do is turn this upside down in the machine, screw it down, connect these terminals, and the job should be a good one. So this power supply was a bit of a pain in the backside to fit because the scrolls wouldn't line up. Anyway, it's done now. 5 volts connected there. I referred back to my pictures. So we got the plus, minus there, plus, minus there, plus, minus there. Now underneath here is another add-on I've added, which is a smart SPI ROM, and that enables me to run SD cards. And on the SD adapter I've got, which plugs in to one of it's this one or this one, the user port, it's got thousands and thousands of games. Now if I want to add more ROMs, then this is where the ZIF socket comes in. Zero insertion full socket from, it's a sideways ZIF socket from Watford Electronics. You just literally, ROM goes in, push it down, turn the machine on, and your ROMs are ready to go. I think that was about 14 quid off eBay, that was. And the SPI ROM, which is in there, with all the adapters. I think it come with a memory card as well, 120 meg. Got a bit overkill. I've got 2 gig in there. That was about 16 quid as well, and a CD-ROM with some games on it. And all you do is just transfer it over to the card, put it in here, and away you go. So I'll reassemble the beep, and then we'll see what's going to happen. Will we get the magic smoke, or will it fire up? No problems. Let's find out. So it's all back together, connected to the TV set. I'm also going to test the little ZIF socket again, and then there's a VT clock. So will we get the beep or will we get the magic smoke? Let's find out. There we go. BBC computer, 32K, VT clock, smart SPI and basic. So if I push shift and brake, that gives us the games menu. So you see there, one page of 66. There we see that. There you go, one page of 66. Let's try a game. Let's try that on. Check it out. Look at the graphics. Say number 1. Hey, might want a caravan or speedboat. Listen to that music. So the machine's working. Let's try that ROM socket. So star VT. And we see there it says item program number, date, Newcastle, VTR. So I'm going to push F0. Well, it's going to go down from 30 seconds. I wonder if I can take one. So start at 50. So what number was that on? And then F0. There you go. Can you hear the relay switch clicking? There we go. So this is BBC North East there. So the sideways ROM is working, and the machine is now working, and there's no magic smoke. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I'll see you in the next video. It's 2E0 IQJ 7 3s. Yeah, it's working.